Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your photo with the SLR quality using EPIK Photo Editor. And here I've already prepared a photo and I've already opened it on EPIK. And the next thing that you need to do is go to Effects and find Blur. And after that, choose bokeh blur, this one's right here, and then you can adjust the effects into your liking like this, and you can also adjust the age. And after that, you can also adjust the brightness, saturation and contrast if you like. You can adjust it like this. And then you can also crop your photo if you like. I'm going to crop it into square like this and click on a check icon. And if you want, you can also add the filters to your photo. I'm going to choose one of the filters. Okay, like this cupcake, and you can also adjust how much the filter you want to apply to your photo. I'm going to just go with 55. I think you can see this is the before and here is the after. And I think that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Thank you.